Hey guys, you see this special calipater? He is a pet. My dad found him. He put him in his cigar box quickly before he escapes. Trying to make him move because he's a gentle calipater. You see he's over there. He's a gentle one. Make sure, and his skin on the top has eyes. If you find a calipater with an eye, or different colors, he could be your pet. And subscribe if you want which one to be his name, because I'm not trying to get him to get over. Subscribe if you want to get his name, maybe Julie or Jula. Subscribe. Goodbye. Subscribe. Peace out, calipater nyam.